Hello everyone, welcome to my civil engineering YouTube channel. Please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when I post my new videos. Today I'll be discussing a concept of support and types of supports. Support is a structure which provides resistance against the applied load and self weight of a overall system without any failure. I repeated, support is a structure which provides resistance against the externally applied load as well as the self weight of a system without any failure. Also, supports are used in the system of structures in order to provide stability and strength. Overall, support is used to provide stability and strength to the overall system of a structure. So, coming on to the types of supports. So, based on the deflection of their constraint, the supports are classified into four types. So, first is called as simple support, or it is also called as simply support. Second is roller support. Third one is a fixed support, and fourth one is hinged support. Coming on to the first type of support, that is simple support. So, as in case of simple support, it is used where the structural member has to rest on the external structure. So, it is the simple support is used where the structural member has to rest on the external load, and these type of support are not widely used in daily life, and these are the supports which only restrains the vertical forces, and it is not the horizontal loads. It only resists the vertical forces but not the horizontal forces. So it is a type of support which is rarely used in the daily life. So I just repeat it. Simple support, it is a type of support where the structural member has to resist the external structure, has to rest on the external structure, and then these are the supports which are not widely used in the daily life, and these are the supports which carry only one reaction force in the vertical direction. So means that it resists only the vertical forces but not the horizontal forces. So here is the example, the pictorial representation which you can observe here. So here you can just observe that this is the simple support. If I just convert that into the free body diagram, so it represents the vertical reaction which is converted as a free body diagram. So this is the pictorial representation of the simple support, which is just an example. So next, coming on to the next type of support, it is roller support. So as in case of roller support, it is a support which is free to rotate and translate along the surface on which they rest. I repeated, roller support, it is a support which is free to rotate and translate along the surface on which they rest. The surface on which the roller supports are installed may be horizontal or vertical or inclined at any angle. So roller supports can be installed in any of the surface, whether it can be truly horizontal or truly vertical, or it can be also inclined. So here when we come to the reaction part, so the roller support has only one reaction. So this reaction will be always acting perpendicular to the surface and also away from it. So the reaction offered by the roller support is as shown in the figure here. So this is the roller support. This is the pictorial representation of the roller support. So here again there will be, if we convert that into the free body diagram, so this is converted as one vertical force which is perpendicular to the surface. So and these are the supports These are the supports which only resist the vertical loads and which are unable to resist the lateral loads. So the lateral loads are nothing but these are the live loads whose main components are the horizontal forces. So lateral loads are the loads which are typically the live loads whose main components are the horizontal forces. So in such case, roller supports cannot resist the lateral loads. So it only resists the vertical load. So this is all about roller support. Coming on to the next type of support, that is hinge support. Hinge support is also called as pinned support. So it is a type of support which resists the horizontal as well as vertical reaction, but it is unable to resist the moments. The pinned support has two support reaction, so one in vertical and one in the horizontal direction. It allows the structural members to rotate but not to translate in any direction. I repeated, it only able to it only allows to rotate the member, but in only one direction, and it resists the rotation of any it allows the resistance of the rotation in any other direction. I repeated, pin support allows the rotation only in one direction and resists the rotation in any other direction. So here the reaction of the pin support is shown in the pictorial representation here. This is the typical sketch of a pin support. It is represented like this. So if you just convert that as a free body diagram, so it is converted as one horizontal and one vertical reaction here. So this is the free body diagram or free body sketch of the hinge support or pin support. So coming on to the next important type of support, it is fixed support. It is also called as encasted or rigid, or it is also called as built up support. So here it is a support which is capable of resisting all the type of load that is in the horizontal, vertical direction, as well as it can be also be able to resist the moments also. The fixed support does not allow any rotation or any translation motion to the structural members. So here the reaction acting in the fixed support are as shown in the figure here. So as I said that it will be resisting vertical, horizontal force as well as the moment. So therefore it will be having three reactions in the free body diagram. So here this is a pictorial representation of the fixed support. So if I just convert that as a free body diagram, so it is the representation of the three reactions. It is one in vertical, horizontal direction and a moment here. So this is all about the supports and its type. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe the video. Thank you.